Wagwan Dancehall gang, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. Where the Popcaan and his entourage was at Governor album launch, so for whatever reason, Popcaan decided to pop up at the popular nightclub Taboo. Now it is alleged that a female gave up Valiant location and told Popcaan team that Valiant not really have no strength and everybody and their auntie know say Valiant and Popcaan are rivals. So even though some people are saying a female give up Valiant location, other sources are saying either Armani or the Taboo Instagram stories. That's how the Popcorn find out say Valiant a forward that particular night there. But me no know if the goose ring where Valiant Avan or somebody pinch him, but Valiant left early. Teejay was performing on a stage show, saw what happened, and he responded and said this. So who do you think better, Popcorn, TJ, or Valiant? Sound off in the comment section. Few hours ago, Skeng dropped a new song named Sick and mentioned six. So Squash answer said this.
I want a little pussy get try this. On a better ease off. For me chip clock.
Look like it's another World War 3, 4, 5 between Squash and Skeng. Anyway, watch this.
Video, we are building and giving away 100 houses. And each home is going to change a family's life. Like this family, who didn't have a house to call their own. And they have no idea we just built them one. Take off your blindfolds and turn around. Behind you is your brand new home. Oh, I was not expecting that reaction. She is freaking out.
Always want them to have a bunk bed. I'm a dream come true.
And this is just the first of 100 houses we're giving away.
First?
I'm glad they're happy. Let's go give away another house. With every single home we're building in this video, we're improving quality of life for families who don't have a safe space to call. Oh, and we spent millions of dollars just on this video building these houses. Because here in Jamaica, there are currently over 500,000 people living in unsafe, life-threatening conditions, like this next family, whose house is so unsafe and unstable that it could literally collapse on them at any given moment. So you built this place?
Yeah.
By yourself?
Yeah, I brought boards and all materials they see.
But we're on top of a mountain, so you carried all this material up this mountain.
Yep. On my head.
Wow. We knew we wanted to build this family a house. So we sent them on a mini vacation so that we had enough time to work with our partners to build them a brand new home. You're about to witness a family that lives in this house go to living in this house. And I cannot wait to see the look on their faces.
Oh my.
What you're looking at is your brand new home. The trip we sent you guys on was just a decoy so we could have time to build this brand new house for you. You want to see the inside? Come check it out.
Whoa.
We noticed that you guys might need some new furniture, so we completely furnished your new home. Now, on top of electricity, you have a water tank for running water. We put bunk beds in this room for 2 of the kids.
Oh my.
And if you go across the hallway, you'll see your bedroom.
Nice.
With a little crib, because I heard you had a newborn.
Tyra, that's your crib. It's been really hard, and you guys changed my life.
Here's officially the deed to the house.
Thank you guys so much.
And it sucks, but some of these places that these families live are extremely unsafe and in some cases life-threatening.
If you guys don't know Mr. Beast, go ahead and look him up on YouTube. This is the kind of things he does. He's always giving people new homes. Even in South Africa, a while back, he built new homes, created give some South African country, they never had any water. He gave them water, homes, new shoes and everything. It's a blessing that he came to Jamaica and blessed 100 homes. And we just hope that God continue to bless his pocket so he can bless others. Some people on social media were saying that they never see Andrew do this, but in fact I have seen him done this, just never 100 people. Unsure of the amount, but regardless, he did contribute. But big up to Mr. Beast. God bless him and in pocket. I'm hoping continue to bless others. But I think this was a very positive thing to help the country, and in case anybody else want to donate, and thank God to those people who got help. Pretty Dan went live and asked RT Boss about the allegations and said him and Blinga a pretend cuss, and I asked Blinga why she never come forward and talk about what he's been doing. She said this.
So RT, me see you come out and come address all of the business, them the batty business, this so-called business, your tax, you so good for your local wholesale where you did have, you so good for chicken back and all kind of sitting. But I know, we not hear you address the mother story yet, where your mother live. Why we can't get a picture of your mother dwelling yet? Your address, Giant Blinga, move your bumper clad, big stinking oversized toad. You look like one of the big back blood clot toad. Them have look like say it have sitting and grew up on him back to blood clot. Move your rough alligator back blood clot face and go suck out your mother. All of a sudden now me see you start to jump on the blood clot, him rape man train. What? Move your blood clot. I went grape in the attack. I went grape in the one. When they must say grape to ras clot, you run up and down see them way in your lean blood clot with them. Me never see a girl use Vaseline and hold down lace we get. Hello? Bumba clot. Broke like a backload over the boat and I put ransom from Batman in a jail, mighty. So what are the charges? Mosquito, Jesus Christ. RT send you. Move, man. Get the fuck away from me. Tired of telling you. Any pest one I send with the Nobia. I buy things feed, I spray out on the blood clot. You can't send no pest over here. Crazy. Outside and bright. So, Miss Bling. So good Bling. So good Blinga. Are you will come about? Big back, stink neighbor, dirty old Blinga, you will come out. Yeah, the queen of TikTok, you never blood clot go up and leaderboard yet. Hello? When the blood clot this. Wow. Hello? Am I the only one say blood clot? Hello? No, sir. We so go about the jail argument, because you know Batman love jail. Why would a Batman ask son if you ransom to come out of jail? You not happy? You don't know Batman jail for them place. You know what them get for watch blood clot man. A beard and blood clot soap around down in a batty crack all blood clot this. So you don't bother with it. You don't know the Batman no jail. You don't know the Batman no want no blood clot come out money. Relax on yourself. You don't make the people them chop out on the blood clot head like jelly round here. Big black sour bomber clot Blinga underneath Blinga coming like a chocha walk to blood clot. Water, dirty pussy blood clot girl. Yeah, me say the T-shirt. Dirty Blinga take up for yourself now. Come back with one of the fake cussing with she and RT. Go away when you not get back no blood clot shine round here. Move your big back stink pussy blood clot self and go for yourself Blinga the infection them underneath your trouble my nerves. Move your bumper clot. You know the pussy clot gripper man now blood clot get back na shine round ya. Who no coulda put up ransom so till you no pussy clot drop down upon this rascal ya. Who no going to sit down in a corner and watch you no look a blood clot judge behavior go down the fucking drain. What kind of queen at TikTok? What kind of queen at TikTok? Make me check your board. Come out of that corner there. Artie said, no, move your blood clot. No pest to me blood clot, you know. Let me check your leaderboard. How much time you ever got number one in the blood clot country? Better yet, you ever got 50? You ever got blood clot 99? Nobody on your kill is blood clot think live. No would have never put your number blood clot 99. Oh, you queen of TikTok, you never blood clot up a leaderboard yet. TikTok never shout your idea yet a bumbo clot. Me never see TikTok send you one of the look up dollar store gift them yet. Me never see you one of the dollar store ring them aware. Me never see you with the dollar store picnic basket. Me never see none of that. When you become the queen, allow where you bust the blood clot, man. Queen, I can't even get a lion. The only lion you get. I feel you blood clot bisexual hood we have in your mouth. Remember when I think fuck you feel like a white dress? Give you the 5 bills. That is the only sell you sell crutches. You and the faggot police, so you're there with me. Hey? Boy, in here, TikTok police. Move back to police and go for your so. The whole of is how set a walking fish. Everything fishery boat stink cool Blinga. Blinga because a Batman alone would have fuck all you in for your thing pussy, you know. Your thing cool, only a Batman alone would have take film who do him pushing a tile tool and pushing at the dirty wall we have, you know. Move with your pop-up police. Pop-up police is a pop in your thing cool, so no wonder your husband have beat out your blood clot with the amount of infections you are bringing at the blood clot house. Go on, girl. I'm going to use some vinegar and crepe out in your blood clot hole. You all need some vinegar. 1 garlic. 2 fucking lime. You stinking salt nasty blood clot hole. Hit you need to go attend to. You and this your uncall for stink body man ya. Dirty hearty. What do you want to your skin out your body hole? I'll show we. Underneath you look like over a blood clot Riverton dump. Big stink deep blood clot body hole. You can see a body hole at trouble. Man will shift your ricket and salad your blood clot too much in time at blood clot there. Yes, me hear you cuss Jamaica worst Batman. And you say, yo, yes. You denounce him as Batman, you win. You win. You win for sure. Me not tell the lie. Artie, when I Batman them with money, him can't cuss that the Batman, because that the Batman they never show money yet. That the Batman they look like say him a dead from blood clot malaria, you know. You win the one day, Artie. You denounce you as a Batman. This thing dead Batman when nobody no blood clot want. Me say every time this thing Batman go up on the internet. Come. Where your man there? Not to this day. You as a blood clot fish with AIDS. Jamaica National AIDS fish. Jamaica National blood clot AIDS fish. You make Jamaica Batman they look bad. Bad to blood clot bad, you know. Jamaica have some of the nicest blood clot Batman them, you know. Me I go tell you blood clot that. Holy pa good blood clot youth where fuck Batty boy. Enough blood clot look good Batman. You have some Batman with that Jamaica. You beneath blood clot them. Not even real girl no look like blood clot them. So me don't know why. The worst Batman with Jamaica ever blood clot see. The Jamaica worst. Me mean this year the swamp Batman. This year the cesspool Batman. This year the Batman we in the sewage plant them in my father. This year the bunga shit. We bung your blood clot toilet. Me say this year Batman you look like a do the blood clot emoji.
That's it for now, guys. But let me ask you this. Tell me in the comment section, you know, who are the baddest artists? Teejay, Valiant, Skeng, or Squash? Let me know. But anyway, that's it for now, guys. Just make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time.